Hello coders, welcome back. Now let us jump to the coding part. Coding is very easy over here. Fine. Now, as you remember, for the backdrop, we put two coding over here. Sorry, we put two backdrops. The first one is this, and the second one is this. I will just rename this. This is proper, the new internal. I will just rename this as. You can change the name from here. Game over. Okay, because I want this thing to come when the game is over, not before that. Fine. So make sure whenever you are adding a code to anything, if you're adding a code to balloon, your balloon should be get selected. If you're adding the code to this backdrop, this backdrop should be selected. So I'm going to do this. So in the scratch, you have to click on this green flag whenever you want to start the game. So this is an event, just like an event of switching on the fan. You need to just go and press that button of the fan. It is going to start. Okay. Similarly, we need to click on this green flag for our game to start. So it is one event. So let us go on the event block on the left side, and we're going to select this one, the first. When flag click. Okay. So when flag clicks, I want that our first screen should be there, not this game over. So I'm talking about the looks of the game. So I'll go in the looks, switch backdrop. Okay, I'm going to take the switch backdrop. And if you can see this drop down arrow, you're having some different things over here. Neon, next, random, anything. I'll go with the neon. Now what is going to happen if I just click on this flag? Okay. Anyway, if there was a change, it has done that. It has just switched to the new backdrop. Clear? Now, let us add some coding to our balloon because we don't want a random standing balloon over there. We need some coding to our balloons. Okay. So that is going to also happen with this event itself. Which one? When flag click. Okay. So let's start with this part. Motion. Let us go to. Let us give some fixed position. Now, if you see over here, if I'm just moving this, can you see the x coordinate and y coordinate? They are also changing. That means current in the current position of a balloon, the x coordinate is 11 and y coordinate is minus 86. If I put my balloon over here, you can see the change in coordinate. At first, I want it some position. Okay, it should be at some fixed position. Okay, so let me just drag it over here, the place from where you want your balloon to appear. Okay, for a timing, I'll just put it over here to make you understand. So this is the fixed position. Now, can you see this x coordinate, y coordinate? Okay, so I will just go in the motion, go to x and y coordinate. Fine. It has taken the same number because it remembered that position over here. If I change it now if I change at any place and click on the green flag, it is going to come back at that particular position. Okay. Now after this, what I need, I want that this should glide to the top. Okay, because we want our balloons to move ahead. So let me go over here, glide, glide, glide. Okay, let us glide 1 second to this random position. Let us see what is going to happen. So just glide. Just gliding up till here, just stopping at some place. So something random is happening, correct? So what I will do, I will just check the Y position. somewhere. Okay, if I want to make it outside, it need to be above. If you see this y-axis, 58, 85. If something is above 200, it is going to go outside. So I will just remove this. How to delete this? Press delete. Select to this position. I will just make the y value 200. Let us see. Oh, can you see? Now it is gliding properly. Now.